What's up? We're back. It's Friday the 19th. We got, I don't know why I'm going to trade Zella. It's the 19th. I don't know what you want from me. Um, so, haven't taken a trade in a couple days. If price is looking good, I'll take a trade. I don't mind. Um, yes, this is what I was looking to do. Got no news today, so we'll see what the market gives us. We had a pretty consolidating um, Asia and London session, to say the least, but we've been, after sweeping out a lot of these lows over here, we've been, and sweeping out Asia session, we've been looking to push up, and we have been for a little bit. Um, got 5 minutes till market opens. This is what I've been looking for the day. Um, So, like I said, at this London low, we pushed down below Asia low, sweeping out a lot of um, low resistance liquidity down here. And so we made the push up after that. And so I'm looking for price to steadily come up and continue to hit these because we have all-time highs up here. I'm looking for price to continually come up and sweep out some of these low resistance 1 hour highs. Um, and this is on both indexes. We got just these highs stacked up. Um, so we're looking to come up, sweep out some of these, and then react off of it and make a trade to the downside. As we come up, sweep liquidity, react off of it, retrace, and then come push down to full TP being a London low, but coming out and sweeping out these 30-minute low resistance lows. These don't appear as lows on the 1 hour because there wasn't a down candle. Um, on the 30-minute there was. So, whoa, huh. Um, yes, looking to come up, sweep liquidity, come down, retrace, and then catch that, come off the retrace and catch that move. So that's what I'm looking at for draws and liquidity for the day. Reacting off one of these highs, whatever it may be, and then from there taking a short to the downside and sweeping out these low resistance lows on 30 minutes. So that's my trade idea for the day. Um, I'm gonna go stick here on the 5 minute. Ooh, I might have to sneeze. Ooh. Okay. Let's get my lot sizes set up. I'm officially, well, not kind of officially, I'm damn close to being down $10,000 on this account. I think it's around 9,000 right now. So we'll see. But again, just so glad that I'm able to do this. So thankful I'm able to do this with paper trading because it would be much harder. Well, I wouldn't say much harder. I would just trade with risking $1 a day, and $1 a day isn't anything. So either way, it would have made it work. But all right, so on NQ, looking at point 37. ES, I'm not taking trades on this anymore, so I don't even know why I do this. I haven't taken a trade on ES in so long, and I don't think I will be. I think I'll only just keep looking at ES just for what's it called? SMTs. Like that's literally it. Okay, so market just opened. We'll see what happens with this 1 hour high. Both indexes came up and smacked it. It's the same high, right? Yes, okay. So they both came out, smacked the same high. ES were already getting retracements off of it. And Q's continuing to go higher. Also, again, I'm trying out the whole single. I'm not doing the dual setup and seeing how I do switching between them. So we will see how that works out for me. So NQ we're still struggling to get below this 1 hour. ES is retracing very good right now. ES went and swept out this 30-minute low resistance. We can go ahead and take out this London high. Pushing well past it now. Let's see here. We're not having an SMT form because they both push past this 1 hour high, so there's not an SMT. There we go. There's NQ. Um, ES is just a little bit ahead. So we would like to see. Ooh, that's good though. So on NQ, our 5 minute break structure is lower, or I guess it's higher than um on ES. So it doesn't have to go as low to break structure. We would inverse a couple fair value gaps here on the 15 minute. Um, there's no fair value. I guess that's a tiny one. So you can count that. There we go. Let's get a 5 minute breaker structure to the downside. Let's get that real quick. I like how aggressively this V-shape reaction, whatever they call that. I like how we reacted off that 1 hour high on both indexes. I really like that. I like the immediate pressure to the downside. This is our 5 minute break structure right here. 5 minute BS. Nose is getting runny. Starting to get cold. Okay. Go low, high, 79%. It's right there. I'm iffy about 79% extension just because it feels kind of like a gimmick at times, as far as like a get out of jail free card. Like I feel like sometimes when I use it, I'm using it just because price didn't move enough to go invert a fair value gap or break structure, so I'm just using it just to kind of like save my ass. Okay, so did get the 5 minute breaker structure on both indexes. We like that. We like that. Got the liquidity sweep of a key level, which is this 1 hour high. And then we got the 5 minute confirmation confluence, which is the breaker structure. Now we're looking for that 5 minute retrace. We're looking for equilibrium. Got equilibrium right there. Um, oh, I like this. I like this. I like this. Sorry, my face is all up in this camera. Let me chill. Let me chill. I'd like even better if we didn't come up and hit this. I would like to keep this fair value gap for a little bit. So if we could close still kind of low, that would be cool. Because I would really, I'd be super high confluence on this short if we put it in a fair value gap here. Came in, filled fair value gap, hit equilibrium, close out of all of that, and hit the order and breaker block. Literally all of my confluences get hit. Let's look at ES. How's ES looking? Again, good job not getting caught up on just one. You have to look at both indexes. Man, I am itching to sneeze. Itching to sneeze. But I don't want to make you listening to this go deaf. Okay, we got order block. Okay, I like this. So we pushed even further out of it. We got the 5 minute breaker structure. Now we're looking for a retrace. We had, okay, this is the part where we need to be careful though. We had price come down, close out of it, retrace back into the order block. It didn't hit equilibrium. It didn't hit the fair, it didn't make the fair value gap yet. So we need to be careful and look. Okay, these are all just down candles on the 1 minute. So there's no like breaker structure or anything else to the downside. I think we just started the new 5 minute candle. Yeah, we got 1 more minute for the 5 minute candle. Yep. Because on the 1 minute, we would have wanted to be careful that we didn't see a slight retrace and then a confirmation confluence to the downside on the 1 minute, because that would have been our entry. So that means we're still looking for price to retrace up into all of this again to then go further down, which is looking scary right now that it won't do it. But I trust that this wick right here wasn't our um, retrace, because we're just about to form the fair value gap. We would have just hit the order block and the breaker and just tap into it, no candle closure into it. Yes, 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 right here. Good. Okay, so now we form that fair value gap as well. I would love to see price come in, tap the fair value gap, and then we'll be chilling. Okay, we tapped the fair value gap, tapped equilibrium. We're getting into the fair value gap on ES. We're just about to hit equilibrium. So that's why we're continuing to go higher. Oh my god. Okay. We haven't hit equilibrium on ES. Believe it or not, if this candle comes down and closes bearish, we still respect this fair value gap. Brother, what? That's alright though. So we made this. This 1 minute fair value gap that we can come in through inverse. Have we hit equilibrium on here? No, we haven't. Oh my god. We blew through the breaker block, which is right here. Okay, we hit equilibrium on ES. Could we be looking to come out of this then? So we haven't broken structure to the upside on the 1 minute because we wicked so high. I think we probably got a closure. Now I'm talking about 79% extension. Yeah, fucking fraud. No closure above 79% extension. So again, we still haven't confirmed anything to the upside. There's no confirmation confluence to the upside just yet, so I still feel good about going down. Yep, we hit equilibrium. Now we're closing out of it. I would like to see shorts come down, close through this. I could put my stop loss up here at these highs. If we inverse this fair value gap, I'm in. NASDAQ, get me on NASDAQ, bro. Okay, let's not respect this fair value gap though. Can we not have that, please? At least now, if we just get a 1 minute break of structure, I feel good too. Well, because we didn't break structure to the upside, so let's not a break of structure to the downside. Because we didn't break structure to the upside. So I just want to see this fair value gap get inversed, and then I feel good. Because if we didn't break structure to the upside, that means we can't break structure to the downside. That just means this is a lower high. I Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me readjust. We're just moving super sideways right now. Again, 645-ish, 646. ES is printing pretty good. NQ is kind of all over the place, so I need to be careful. There's a good chance I could get wicked out. But price is volatile, so I think as soon as it wants to go in the direction it wants to go, it'll go. If that makes sense, but we just gotta get there. Just need a candle closure below that line. At this point, I'm just starting to think it's like, am I being too, like, am I just being delusional about with what I think price will do? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think price wants to come take out these lows. Well, yeah, no, it doesn't. What? Oh my God. Okay, so we can just get rid of all of this. We come up, hit these highs. Yeah, let's just. What is this? This is the 1 hour high. Boom, 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 boom. Now we're looking at this high, the 1 hour high. Yeah, so let's just boom, 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 boom. Let's go check this out on the 5 minute. Now we're reacting off this 1 hour high. Oh, yes, hit this 1 hour high before. Is this the 1 hour high from before that I was looking at? Oh, there was just 1 hour high I put in before. So it's 7:30. Yes, it's just a 1 hour high, but a 7:30-ish. Oh, okay. I see, I see. So these are the same highs. Okay, those are the same highs. But ES tapped it earlier. Already took it out. Now we're seeing if we can even just go hit all-time highs. Fuck, man. I can't wait till I'm done working at the Rusty Putter. Oh my God, I can't wait. 'Cause I have to get off at 7:30, start getting ready for work 9 to 5, and then come home, do a little bit of more chart work, and then be in bed. And go to bed by 9:30 and do it all again. I'm showing up. I'm here. But as far as having the ability and the time to get better, I don't think I'm growing any. I'm just here. Okay, cool. We went up and tapped all-time highs. Get rid of that high. Okay, so we came up, swept liquidity. Now we're looking on the 5 minute to get inverse value gap, breaker structure, 79% extension. SMT is kind of out of the play. It's because these are reacting off different highs, which should mean that there is an SMT, but that I'm just confused on it, so I don't want to call out an SMT that's not there. Alright, so it came out, swept the high. Um, I need this to not close this gap so we can leave it and then inverse it. Okay, so we put in this fair value gap. We're just looking for price to draw down and blow through this inverse fair value gap. We also have 79% extension. It's well past it. So glad we put in that fair value gap. But I have a feeling we're just gonna sit here and watch price. 655. Ah, I would love to just call it a day and not take a improbable trade. Because I feel like Friday, with no news is kind of similar to Monday with no news. People are kind of phasing out of the market. They've done what they need to do for the week. I feel like it's more rare that you get a good day on a Monday and a Friday with no news. Let's start. Let's make no news Friday a thing. Because that's what I've been seeing is that Friday is about the same as a no news Monday. I saw someone do this. I'm gonna do what they did. Play a game of Clash Royale while I wait for price to come sweep out this inverse fair value gap. Oh, actually, I guess I'm not gonna play Clash Royale. I'll be on my phone. I won't get into a game, but okay, I'm off my phone. Sorry if I'm fucking just sniffing in your ears. I don't do well with the cold, man. As soon as cold, even if it's in this basement, I just nope, doesn't go well. Okay, that's awesome. So we come in on the 1 minute, fill the fair value gap, and respect it. That's awesome. Can we please inverse it? And we kind of just been in this range the whole day. It hasn't broke out to anywhere. NQ's broken out decently. But I swear, if we respect this fair value gap and close out of it and go past this high, then I'm done for the day. That'll be my indicator. And bro, please, please don't do this. I do need to be wary on time. It's 7:01 right now. Yeah, if this just goes, although, like I said, if we just go up, close past this high into all-time highs, I'm automatically just, I'm off. I'm off the charts. So let's zoom out a little bit. I was looking for today, like through all of London session, we're at a steady uptrend. Creating these low resistance lows down here. I was looking to react off of one of these highs up here and get a good reversal, like come up, sweep a high, then get a reversal down to these one of these low resistance lows, London low. I was looking to come up, sweep out these, and then look to trade the reversal back down to the low resistance lows. That was my trade idea for the day. Um, Good trade idea. Price just didn't want to end up reversing. Okay. Yeah, price just didn't want to reverse for me during my time frame, which is fine. Um, so I think that's gonna be what happens. This is looking very similar to what happened here. We got the accumulation, the leg up. This looks like we're getting accumulation, then another leg up. Because we've just been uber bullish since we swept out those lows during London session. There hasn't been a clear reversal off of it yet, which I'm sure it will at some point during the day. But like I said, I need to be off of here by 7:30 to go to work my job, my job. Ugh. I could honestly probably just get off right now. I think it's gonna kick me off here in a second as soon as these come out and hit the highs, but I already knew this was gonna happen. I already knew. Then at some time, price is gonna be in discovery during all-time highs, and it's either just gonna hang out up in all-time highs and just mess around and do whatever the hell it wants, or at some point, off an unknown level, it's gonna reverse and make a leg down. I don't think it will make that leg down just because there's no liquidity to fund the sweep, but there's no liquidity to fund the reversal. But anyways, again, just consolidating around this fair value gap. This is where I got caught up before. Glad I didn't get into a trade. Um, didn't force anything. Again, just following my rules. But still having trouble executing. Again, same thing as here. I'll even draw it out. So yeah, this fair value gap here, and we just consolidated around it, hung out, and finally got the breakthrough. And so here we're doing the same thing, consolidating around the fair value gap, and eventually we'll get the breakthrough. So I'm just waiting for that breakthrough to finally call it and get off the charts, but I'm low. Um, Not confidence. What's the word? Conviction. Low conviction in shorts right now. Very low conviction. If we close below this fair value gap, we also get a 5-minute break of structure. Should be cool. Again, I honestly don't want that to happen. I just want to get off the charts. And if that's the case, I should just get off the charts. But I'll sit here for a little longer and see what's going on. is a fresh candle, though. Sadly, it's a fresh candle. Fresh 5 minute candle. Nice. Cool. Still staying within the fair value gap. Nice. Awesome. Really cool. Very cool. If we inverse this fair value gap back to the upside on the 1 minute, that's going to be my sign to get out. So if it closes above, I'll get off. If it closes below, then I'll stick around. Thank God. Okay. Well, that's going to do it for me. Decent little just day of watching price action. I mean, what are you going to do? It's Friday. All right. See you.